ready for a new era of self-care? You know, marketing lies, but your skin doesn't. Marketing terms appeal to the consumer, but skin is also an organ. It's the largest one too. I'm Dr. TWL, board-certified dermatologist and your skincare expert. I've coached thousands in the science and the art of skincare routines, and all I can say is most skincare routines are kind of inefficient. But not just that, I'm also going to share how I implemented my universal formula that works for all skin types. It's not just the science, but also the art of glowing skin, right in the comfort of your own home. This 7-phase facial system can be implemented anywhere. And this is the art and science of universal skincare, a course I've created for you, and it's free.
What?
As truth ought to be. If you agree with me, then join me on this journey to discover the truth about skin health. Oh, by the way, when your skin is healthy, it will look good.